towards the last part of the chapter, last bit, that is nothing but the 5G. So 5G is the fifth generation of the cellular networks. So there are some features of the 5G we can see. The first is it is the fifth generation of cellular network. The 5G is the next generation of wireless network. Currently we are using the 4G. Now we are going to use the 5G. The 5G is having some features, that is, it is a multiple time faster than the 4G. So long time evaluation, LTE means long term evaluation. 5G giving, or it is provide the very fast range, or it provide the very fast speed than the 4G. 5G technology use the variety of spectrum bands, including the millimeter waves, radio spectrum, which can be carry a large amount of data for the short distance. So that we can able to see means large amount of data we can send in a very small short period of time. The new 5G networks will be transmit a very large amount of data, but only in the few block at a time. So they are using the latest technology like the block technology. That is again a very different part. So by using that we can get a very high speed. Ultimately what is indicate? It indicate that we are getting the very high speed. 5G is the digital cellular network in which the service area covered by the provider, that is divided into the small geographical area called as the cells. So generally whatever the big amount of data, whatever the given network, we can divide the given network into the small area, and that according to the geographical area, and that area we can call that is the cell. 5G can support up to the million devices per square kilometer compared to the 4G. So ultimately it will provide the lots of fast data than the 4G. Application and the features. First application is online 5G games we can play. Again the automotive vehicles. By using the 5G we can automate the vehicles. Then the virtual classroom. So nowadays we are using the virtual classroom. So this is the end of your chapter. Thank you.